Yes.
It wasn't, was it?
Maybe.
I'll try again. Good morning. This is not Zwift, it's not my living room. Out with Rafa. I'm going to be quick because we're going soon, but we're going to do like 120k or so, up Snake Pass, up Winnets, bit of climbing. Hopefully it's not going to rain.
I think we need it, alright. If it starts flashing and stuff like that, don't panic.
Oh my god, I'm back on the road, honestly. I love turbos, and I love Zwift, but I love being out on the road. Oh, look at all these potholes, Jesus. All my days, we've just ridden past Aldi. It is not open yet. Did you see all those people? Massive queues of people ready to stock up in Aldi. God, they're going and all. What the hell? Ben, did you see all them? How many people were there? God. I'm coming. So one thing I really want to learn to do is bunny hop. So I've been getting tips from my Rafa buddies. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Go on. Oh, that was a good one. That was a real good one. Okay. Oh, I like it. Now I'm going to try. Hang on. You have to hold. Can you hold that? Oh, we're on a hill though. I can't do it on a hill. Wait, you're on the flag. I'm even getting off the ground.
Front wheel, yeah.
How did you get the back wheel off?
It's like you pull up at the front and then shove all your weight forward. Yeah. So then you're kind of lifting your pedals up.
Do it on the...
Yes.
It wasn't, was it?
Maybe.
It is pissing down. So we are just getting all our waterproofs on. It is just... At least we're out. At least we're out. It's actually quite warm, to be fair. It's only going to stick for a little bit. I did check on the weather earlier. It's only going to rain for like 20 minutes or something, so... Let's go? Yeah? Good. All good. Let's go. Oh my god, I wasn't going to do an effort up Snake. Got about halfway up and I was like, let's go. I am dying. Oh,
Say ladies.
oh my god. That was good.
Yeah?
A bit out of puff.
You did it before?
Yeah. I could see my other PB on it and I was like, beat it. I did by about 40 seconds, so. About 40 seconds or something. Yes! Sorry, I couldn't talk. You were talking, I was like, mate, I'm not talking to anyone.
One bit of advice on the set. You're going to be splitting up.
I love this descent so much. It is so much fun. And it's not raining, and it's not windy. This is just like turning to be such a good day out on the bike. So we're at my favourite location. It's like an Audax, we're just at a garage, and we're about 20 minutes away from Winnets Pass, so it's a monster climb. It's really steep. Not very long, but very, very steep. I'm not, they're not my favourite type of climb, but we'll give it a go. But there won't be any kind of like power data this time. I'm going to come back in summer and do like the power data thing. It's got really cold as well, I think it's stopped. But it's so nice to be back out on the bike, doing some good climbs. Just a nice day out, just very happy. Right, see you shortly. How was it?
Need an extra gear.
Wasn't there?
Oh my god. How was it? wet. I did really like that though. In a weird way, it's like.
You tell us you were blasting up there.
I was not blasting anywhere, but yeah, it was good. Oh.
Good effort.
You too.
Nice one.
Go power. Oh. So I'm just editing the video and realised that I didn't film an ending for it. So I basically just got back and ate and then was just like, oh, that was a good ride. Do you know when you get back from a ride and you just feel like, I don't know, it's like just a really nice satisfied feeling of like, oh, I really enjoyed that ride. And I think because we went on different roads that we wouldn't normally go on, and I don't know, just like from the last 2 weekends going back out with Rafa again, I've just felt my motivation to ride again has just like risen a lot. Because obviously saw my other video where I was like, my motivation to actually get out is it's not very good at the minute, but after that I just really wanted to get out. But then obviously now, that's what I was going to say to you is, you know, if you are feeling really unmotivated to ride, go out with a group. It just makes, I would not have done that on my own because it was raining, it was cold. But riding with that group is just like just a really nice group of people. But we've got all the coronavirus stuff, so I don't know how much longer. Maybe by the time this video is out, they won't, you know, we won't going to be allowed to ride in groups and stuff. It's mad, isn't it? It's just such a weird situation. But yeah, I just wanted to come on just to say, hope you're all doing well, and yeah, I will see you for another video. All right, I will see you very soon.